Today, we've got a wild and wacky adventure in store as we introduce you to our Days of the Week monsters. Are you ready for some monstrous fun? Let's dive in. First up, meet Monday Monster, a little grumpy but loves to start the week with a roar. Tuesday Tentacle Monster is always reaching out for new adventures. And Wednesday Wobble Monster? Well, it wobbles its way through the week with giggles. But wait, there's more. Join us as we introduce Thursday Ticklish Monster, Friday Fire-Breathing Monster, and the weekend duo, Saturday Snore Monster and Sunday Sunshine Monster. Now, let's get those monster feet stomping and tails wagging with our Days of the Week Monster Mayhem song.
Monday Monster, grumpy and green, starts the week with a monstrous scene. Tuesday Tentacle, reaching out wide, ready for adventures with a monster's pride. Days of the week, monsters so sweet, in their monster world where the fun can beat. Wednesday wobble, giggles in the air, ticklish Thursday, a monster so rare. Friday fire breath, lighting up the night. Saturday snore, sleeps till it's light. Sunday sunshine, bright and so warm. Monsters of the week, each with the charm. Days of the week, monsters so sweet, in their monster world where the fun can beat. Wednesday wobble, giggles in the air, ticklish Thursday, a monster so rare. Now you've met the monsters, the days are complete, in this monster world oh so sweet.